So hello there guys, welcome back to another video. Sorry my voice is a little bit bad because it is not a good day actually today. I'm having a headache. I'm just right now recording. Even worse, it is a big one, so that's why. So we are going to be creating an animal cells project. It's very simple, but you need to, some of them you need to pay. So you can see I have paid for all of these. You can get free ones which don't have watermark, but please do not show it to all the public. They may say it is copyright claim if you have like a huge watermarks on them. So let's get started. Here it is. Let's click on the cow. Wow, it said moo. It said the sound moo. Now for a dog, so click his nose maybe. What a bark. Let me this cat. Which part of the cat you should not touch? Yeah, the mouth. Yep, these are all great sounds. So, yeah, let's create a new project. Herding cats? Wait, what? So now over here, drag here, delete the scratch cat please first, and click on upload sprite. Then over here, let's right click folder. Let's call this animal project. Okay, so let's over here drag these over here. What is the error? Okay, never mind. Okay, so there they are. Let's first click on the cow. Now we have to make the size 60. Here it is. Let's drag him over here. Sorry about that. So what we are going to do is to grab this icon and choose a sound. Just click on animals, and there are lots of them. Let's maybe choose Moo. This is how it sounds. Yep, it sounds. Let's click on it. What you have to do is to grab when this sprite clicked, and then let's go to sound and place the start sound Moo. So here it is. When you click it said Moo. It said Moo. If you want it to be like not laggy, just do play sound until done, which is I recommend. We should touch that, but farmers in the Cantonese won't do it. Yep, that's the sound. So let's upload the sprite, and where we created the file, let's maybe put in a dog. Maybe to 60. Okay. Now let's grab it simply like here. except we don't have any sounds. Also, these sounds aren't copyrighted. If you know what is that, just put it in the comment section down below. Oh, that's a moo. Oops, we don't need that. We need a dog barking. Yep, that's the one. That's the one. So it's instead dog 1. Let's maybe upload sprite. Now, if you see this watermarks, this is actually my site. But they don't put it in here because this is a really old website actually. I don't recommend anybody to be going there. So let's maybe put the cat here. We also want to show its claws, right? Maybe do it 55. And to solve this, let's maybe just convert to vector. And what we have to do is cover this cat. Now, if you're using Scratch 2.0 in the bitmap editor, there is a tool that you can use, but I'm going to be making a video about how to download the Scratch 2 offline editor. So let's just delete this. So here we have a cat. This is the cat that we made. And you can draw it, but I don't recommend doing that. So let's just there is no way that you can remove this this thing now. Okay, so there it is. Of course, the cat will also do whoops, not this. Not this. Okay, let's just upload a sound. Not upload, sorry. Choose, yes. Let's go to animals. And let's just choose Meow 2. I don't know how did I done that, but let's grab one. This right clicked and play some Meow 2 until done. We're done. Yep. Moo. Meow. And bark. There it is. So hope you guys like this video. Hope you did. Smash the like button and see you guys next time. Goodbye.